Hello and welcome back to my channel RA Education. I am your mentor Rishba. Again I am here with very entertaining topic. Do you know? What does it mean by Bunsen burner? So, let's get started. Dear friends, a Bunsen burner, named after Robert Bunsen, is a kind of ambient air gas burner used as laboratory equipment. It produces a single open gas flame, and is used for heating, sterilization, and combustion. You know, Bunsen burner used as a heat source in laboratory experiments. The burner consists of a flat base with a straight tube extending vertically, known as the barrel or chimney. My fellows, a Bunsen burner is a type of gas burner that produces a safe, smokeless, hot, non-luminous flame that can be used for various scientific experiments. The flame is created by the gas and oxygen being mixed in a controlled environment, which allows precise regulation of the size and heat of the burner. Do you know which gas is used in Bunsen burner? Bunsen burners provide a flame with temperatures up to 1 foot 200 degrees Celsius. Natural gas, primarily methane, liquefied petroleum gas such as propane, butane or a mixture of both are used as fuels. The gas flows through a small opening at the base of the barrel and is directed upwards. Well, that's all we have for you today. Hey, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you click down below. Subscribe to the button. Hit the notification bell. If you have any question, feel free to contact me and leave me a comment.